kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be a good.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Jessica and I am the center manager for the Parkway Senior Center. And I have with me Cynthia Slover, who is interning with us from the University of South Alabama. So today we are going to show you how to make gingerbread cookies from scratch. So this is a great activity that you can do with your grandkids or great-grandkids. So I hope you enjoy.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all.
So the first step in making your gingerbread cookies is to take 2 sticks of butter that are already at room temperature and mix it in a mixing bowl. And you are going to take 1 cup of white sugar and slowly start adding it in. And you're gonna do this until all of it is light and fluffy, which takes about 3 minutes. So step number 2 for our gingerbread cookies are to beat in 1 egg, a cup of molasses, so I have Grandma's Gold Standard, only the best, and then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. The spatula? Oh no, the vinegar?
Yeah.
And then you are going to mix this in until it is all very well put together, mixed in together. So once you have mixed those ingredients, it should have this pretty brownish caramel color. Now you're gonna need a second bowl to mix your dry ingredients. So you're gonna need 5 cups of flour. You're gonna need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, and then 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So you're gonna kind of mix these all together, and then once these are well blended in this bowl, we're gonna slowly add them into this wet bowl. So I'll show you that step next. So once you mix all of your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, you are going to have your gingerbread dough. So what you need to do is you need to separate your dough into 2 piles and wrap it with saran wrap. and then put it in the fridge for anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. And then we will start rolling it out and making our cookies. So stay tuned, we will be back.
When you're ready to pull out your dough from the fridge, you are going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you can roll out your dough. So usually I roll it out into about a 1/2 inch thick section on a very well floured surface. And then I just have different types of cookie cutters. I have gingerbread men, Christmas wreaths, and I will cut them out and put them on a baking pan. And I will bake them at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. And then pull out your gingerbread, and they are ready to be decorated after they've cooled for a few minutes. All right, here's Miss Mary Sizemore tasting her gingerbread cookie. She's already tried it. Judge's ruling.
Delicious.
Awesome.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call.